Hey everybody, Mr. Bone here, also for Mrs. Metzley. So for any of you who have 6th grade social studies with us, I wanted to make a short video to explain a couple things for our remote learners. So if you are a remote learner who doesn't come in on Hemlock or Husky Day, this is what we'd like to have you do for your vocabulary word wall. So at the end of the big social studies test, you would see that there are some directions, and in the directions, those of us who are in building will be using some big pieces of paper to draw some pictures. Your option is to draw 6 pictures. Use normal size pieces of paper, whatever size piece of paper you like. Take pictures of those drawings and send them into Classroom. We'll set up a spot for you to upload pictures, and that's how we will grade your word wall words. So draw a picture, take a picture of it with your camera, mom and dad's camera, whatever it is, upload it to Google Classroom, and that's how you will get your credit. Thanks a lot.